super good news, guys. We just hit a 5,000 subscribers, guys. Bravo! Pinch me, guys, because what is this? I better be dreaming, guys. Guys. I was like, guys, when I saw that we hit 5,000 subscribers, guys, the first people I thought of, it's you, guys, because this is all you. This is your support, guys. Without your support, guys, I am nothing. Literally, I am nothing, and there is no channel, guys, without you. So that's why I decided, you know what could be the better way of cheering up my subscribers and also like showing my gratitude and happiness. Guys, I am super excited. I am over the moon, guys. I don't know, I can't show, guys. I can't describe how much excited I am. So I was like, you know what, let me just do a little something for my people, which is a giveaway, guys, because I do believe that isandla esiphayo sibusisiwe than esirisivayo. So why not just do a little something, guys? This gives